Day we stand with pride and cheer. Republic Day is finally here. Our flag waves high in the open sky, with hope and dreams flying by. We love our India, strong and free, land of courage and unity. With honest hearts and helping hands, we build our future. We take a stand. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. We proudly say, Happy, happy Republic Day. From hills so high to rivers wide, different cultures side by side, many languages, many faces, one great nation, many places. We love our India, strong and free, land of courage and unity. With honest hearts and helping hands, we build our future. We take a stand. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. We proudly say, Happy, happy Republic Day. We respect our laws, we follow the right. Truth and peace are our guiding light. We love our India, brave and bright, shining in freedom's golden light. Together we learn, together we grow, for a better India. Onward we go. We love our India, strong and free, land of courage and unity. With honest hearts and helping hands, we build our future. We take a stand. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. We proudly say, Happy, happy Republic Day.